Hello everyone, I'm Mike Anderson from Collision Advice, and this is my great friend Danny Gredinberg from the DEG. And we are so excited to be working with SCRS to bring you a brand new series of quick tips to help you to boost your business. Welcome to today's tip. Today we're going to talk about 3-stage and 4-stage paint formulas. You know, we're starting to see more and more 3-stage and 4-stage paint codes on vehicles when we're writing estimates. So let's talk about that a little bit. First of all, it's important we always validate the paint code through our paint mixing software, because at the end of the day, several paint manufacturers may have different ways of replicating that out in the collision repair industry. So let's talk a little bit about the formulas. Number one, 3-stage. Autotech, CCC, and Mitchell, all three have formulas for 3-stage paint. They will give you a formula that will help you to determine what you need to be charging from a labor perspective. Now, in regards to 4-stage, all of the estimating systems state that it requires an on-the-spot evaluation. Why do they require an on-the-spot evaluation? Well, you might have paint manufacturer 1 who actually says you use a tinted sealer. You may have paint manufacturer 2 that says that you have to use a tinted clear. And then you might have a third paint manufacturer that says it requires a ground coat. So because of the way to replicate these out in the collision repair industry may vary, that's why the estimating systems don't have a formula. So again, as we see more and more 3- and 4-stage formulas, it's important we verify those through our paint manufacturer software for where we mix paint. Number 2, remember 3-stage has a formula. 4-stage, there is no formula. As always, if you're trying to gain clarity, you can submit an inquiry to the degweb.org website. Thanks for joining us for today's tip.
If you find these tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment below for any future suggestions. Thank you for watching.